Hey everyone, are you trying to buy some dice or a sticker pack in Monopoly Go, but the in game store just won't load? It is a super annoying issue when you're ready to make a purchase. Today, I'll walk you through a few simple steps to get that store working again. The in game store requires a solid internet connection to function correctly. First, check your Wi Fi signal. If it's weak, try moving closer to your router or restarting it completely. If you are on mobile data, check your signal strength and consider turning your data off and on again. A quick switch between Wi Fi and mobile data can also sometimes force a refresh. Sometimes the simplest solutions are the best. Start by fully closing the Monopoly Go app. Make sure it is not running in the background at all. Then try relaunching it. If the store is still not loading, a full restart of your phone or tablet can clear out any temporary software glitches that might be interfering with the app. Over time, apps can build up a lot of temporary data in their cache, which can cause performance issues. For Android users, go to your phone settings, find apps, select Monopoly Go, and then tap Storage and Cache. From there, you should see an option to clear cache. These won't delete your game data, but it will clear out those temporary files that might be causing the store to glitch. An outdated version of Monopoly Go can definitely lead to problems. Head to the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, search for Monopoly Go, and make sure you have the latest update installed. Also, check for any pending system updates on your device itself, as an outdated operating system can sometimes cause compatibility issues. The game store is linked to your Google Play or Apple App Store account. Double check that you're logged into the correct account and that your payment information is up to date and valid. Issues with your App Store account can prevent in game purchases from loading correctly. If all else fails, a clean reinstallation might be the fix. Before you do this, make sure your account is backed up. The easiest way is to connect it to your Facebook account. Once you're sure your progress is safe, uninstall the app, restart your device, and then download Monopoly Go from the App Store again. This should resolve any corrupt files that are preventing the store from loading. Hopefully, one of these steps got the Monopoly Go store working for you. If you're still having trouble, the best next step is to reach out to the Monopoly Go support team directly. They can investigate any issue specific to your account. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips.